Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to play Skate 3 on Mac. So first up, there are two methods. Method 1, using the RPCS3 emulator. What you'll need: RPCS3, a free open source emulator, a copy of Skate 3. You will need to legally obtain the game file from your own PS3 disk, as downloading copyrighted games is illegal. PS3 firmware, the official firmware file from the Sony PlayStation website, and a compatible controller. An Xbox or PlayStation controller can be automatically mapped by the emulator. How to get started. Number 1. Download and set up RPCS3. Go to the official RPCS3 website and download the Mac OS version. Drag the application to your Applications folder. Next, install PS3 firmware. In the application, go to File, then Install Firmware, and select the PS3 firmware file you downloaded from Sony's website. Number 3. Transfer the Skate 3 game files. Place the game files you legally obtained from your PS3 disk into the appropriate game folder within RPCS3 directory. Next, add the game to RPCS3. In the emulator, select File, then Add Games. Then navigate to and select your Skate 3 game folder. Next, configure your controller. Go to the Pads menu to map your buttons, and finally launch the game. Select Skate 3 from your game list and click to boot. The first launch may be slow as the emulator compiles the necessary code, but subsequent launches will be faster. Next, Method 2, using a cloud PC streaming service. What you need: a subscription to a cloud gaming service such as Shadow PC, a Windows game launcher such as the EA app installed on your cloud PC, and a legal copy of Skate 3. The game is available on Xbox Cloud Gaming, which can be accessed through a web browser on your Mac. How to get started. First, sign up for the service. Create an account and subscribe to a service like Shadow PC. Next, access your virtual PC. Launch the Cloud Services app on your Mac and to connect to your virtual Windows desktop. Then, install the game. Open the EA app or Xbox Cloud Gaming service within your virtual Windows session and install or stream Skate 3, and finally play the game. Connect your controller to your Mac and begin playing, as if you were on a Windows PC. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.